Hi friends, welcome back to our new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers. Engineer at Career Global, Bangalore. Career Global Corporation is an American corporation based in Florida. Career was founded in 1915 as an independent company manufacturing and distribution heating, ventilating and air conditioning HVAC systems and has since expanded to include manufacturing commercial refrigeration and food service equipment and fire and security technologies. As of 2020, it was an $18.6 billion company with over 53,000 employees serving customers in 160 countries on 6 continents. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Now, let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, EEE engineers, ENC engineers, instrumentation and control engineers and environmental engineers can apply for this post. For getting more details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From this channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Company name is Career, Engineer is the post name, business unit is in Career, job ID is 300,44365, city in Bangalore. Job description, department name, React, position and band, associate engineer or engineer, domain area, energy management, customer service, qualification, BTech or BE in electrical, EEE, ENC, instrumentation, environmental or mechanical. Job responsibilities, support and provide service via calls, emails and tickets, work on provide offline activities, follow given SOPs and flag any unresolved issues, escalations to L2, ability to diagnose and analyze technical problems, analysis different systems and energy data to find potential for energy optimization, work on project that requires data mining, analysis and presentation, follows up and meets commitment to customer, flexibility towards shift and week offs as per requirement. Essential competencies or primary skill sets, soft skill, excellent verbal and written communication skill, passion for technology and customer support, demonstrate ability to work in fast-paced technical cross-functional environmental, cross-team collaboration, team-oriented ability to logically prioritize tasks and schedule work accordingly. Technical skills, knowledge of instrumentation and control system, basic of HVAC, knowledge of electrical, semiconductor, microcontrollers, knowledge of communication system, knowledge of Excel, PPT, MS, preferred prior field project delivery experience in BMS and HVAC commissioning, PLC and DCS programming, energy meter or chiller, etc., understanding area of energy leakage, etc. Role is engineer, industry type is HVAC, employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. When you put this link on your browser, you can see a window like this and you have to press apply online or apply now button here. When you press apply now button, it will redirect to another window. In that window, you can see email address and password we have to type. For signing in first time, we have no email IDs and password, so you have to create the account. For creating account, you have to type email address and password and verify password. Then read the instructions, then create account. After creating this account, you can enter into the website and apply for this post. That's all for this job opportunity details from our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Every day we will upload government jobs and private jobs. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.